Hi, I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall and Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today, we're going to focus on some potatoes from the Eastern Shore, and we're going to add a lot of other ingredients in it to make a Ukrainian dish called Pirogies. So I've got the pie dough already rolled out, and this is a pretty standard pie dough. It's the same one we've used for apple pie and for other things. It needs to be a little egg enriched, however, so it'll hold up in the heat. We're going to fry this pie. All right, so I've got the dough rolled out, all right, and I'm going to put a little bit of beaten egg around the outside of it, right, so it'll seal good. Otherwise, when we're frying it, it'll pop open. So we just use a little bit of egg down there and get this out of the way. All right. Now we're going to add the fillings, and it's going to be some kielbasa sausage, some sauerkraut, some of those golden potatoes, and I have a little bit of it mixed already together right here. So I'm going to go right into the center of this with this mix. And we fold it over. I'm going to fold it to me, line up the edges, and push this down. Now, in order to be a good pierogi, it's got to have a crimped edge. So we're going to go around it. Right. Just any old fork will work, but this helps seal it. It pushes the dough from the top down into the dough on the bottom end and uses the egg mix itself as kind of a glue. So now we're going to cut this in close so we don't have a lot of extra dough hanging around. Let's see, get that out of the way. Okay, and this is the pierogi. Now I'm going to turn this on and I've got some butter in here with a little bit of olive oil. Olive oil will lower the smoking point, or raise the smoking point a little bit, so we won't burn the butter. All right, so I can hear it. You can hear the butter singing to me. It's telling me that it's ready. It needs some food, so in goes the pierogi. Now this is going to take a couple of minutes on each side. All right, you're going to brown it on one side, turn it over, brown it on the other side. All right, this looks good. So I'm going to pull it off and let it set to the side. I'm going to put another pan on here with some more butter, all right, and start some onions. All right, now I've already taken this out of the pan. It's cooked all the way through. All of the ingredients that went into this are fully cooked. So you just have to get it hot in the center, and it's plenty hot for that. Now I've got getting ready for the garnish now, what we're going to serve it with. So I've got the onions in there, right, and I've got some sour cream here. I want this just kind of cooked down a little bit. These onions are pretty much done. They're getting a little color to them now. I don't want them to overcook. We'll let them go just a little bit longer. All right, and we're going to get ready to garnish this pierogi. All right, so we'll take some of the onion, and of course this is however much you want of it. So I'm just going to let that come off of this end and come down a little bit onto the plate. And that will go on top. And this is a classic Ukrainian approach to an old Russian recipe for pierogi. Now, I'm going to cut it just a little bit. We can see the sauerkraut and the sausage. It's a nice color in there. Wonderful for lunch. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.